everybody. Going back over some of the pictures again that our viewers sent last night, we had some big-time storms in southern and eastern Kentucky yesterday afternoon and evening. Look at this large hail picture from Bee Creek, Kentucky. Sean Cowden submitted that to the National Weather Service. This is 2-inch diameter hail. So you're talking about larger than golf balls, getting up to about a hen egg size, okay, or larger than that. And look at the spiky nature to that. So that's dangerous. That obviously, if you were outside and that hit you, that could definitely hurt you. In some cases, you can actually kill someone with the velocity of hail that's falling. This is a different shelf cloud picture from the late afternoon severe warm storm in London, courtesy of Johnny Nicholson. Just look at that shot. You can see the rain shaft, the rain curtain in the distance behind it, but out ahead of that great signature that usually is a sign of some stronger storms. And then after all the storms ended, look at the beautiful sunset we had here in Lexington, courtesy of Danny Pendleton. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the rich colors to that last night. So after an active day for some of us, it ended very nice. All right, 7:19 this morning for you. We have some additional scattered showers that are beginning to pop back up just off to the west of us. Looking into far eastern parts of the state, still a little bit of rain. So let's start back to the south and west, okay? Here's where we've got some rain going into Casey County, Liberty. Go ahead and pack that umbrella. Some sprinkles maybe near Russell Springs, but that's really not the main deal. We go back on the wide view, another area of some rain over into Fleming County. So pack the umbrella if you're heading out the door over here. Flemingsburg, lighter rain, but it really picks up as you get down into the southern part of the county. Deeper into eastern Kentucky, check this out. Elliott County, some rain over to Painesville and into Inez and into Prestonsburg, some downpours there as well. Now, not going to be raining continuously all day. We're looking at Paris right now. It looks like it could rain at any point, doesn't it? Just gray, gloomy start to Wednesday. Roads still a little wet out there, especially from the overnight rain. We had some heavy downpours that pushed through Lexington, Paris, even into Georgetown. Those have since gone up to the northeast and fizzled out. We're in the mid and upper 60s right now. We have a cold front draped right through the state. This morning, it's going to gradually drift east through the day. It will keep some scattered showers going this morning and even into the afternoon. There's that morning drive. Let's go deeper into the afternoon. You can still see I've got a 30% chance for showers here. I think we're in the mid and upper 70s for highs. Let's take you hour by hour. Again, the model showing some showers around the front still here. Here comes moisture, though, streaming north on Thursday, especially late in the day. That's actually moisture from, Helene, which is now a tropical storm way down here just off the coast of Cancun, forecast to strengthen into a hurricane and making landfall near the Big Bend of Florida as we go near also Apalachicola. Then it comes north into Kentucky or nearby us on Friday. And what's that going to bring? Let's talk about it. The next big thing. Here comes Helene. Here comes a lot of rain, also some wind. Then the two low pressures likely going to phase or merge together as one and keep some showers into the weekend. But we've got heavy rain to talk about on Friday, and wind gusts 50+ miles per hour are possible. And it'll all depend on the eventual track of Helene as to what part of the state has the best chance to see winds that strong. Showers tomorrow, rain and wind Friday, still showers and breezy conditions on Saturday. Sunday, still some lingering showers, but I think that remnant low finally starts moving out Monday, but another cold front, Krista, moves in on Tuesday with a few more rain showers.